Alright, today Maryann and I are hiking from Glass Mountain Falls up to Blackstock Knob on the MST for our 20th South Beyond 6,000 summit. So here we go. Alright, we're at Glass Mountain Falls like I said. Get ready to take the MST and head all the way up to summit Blackstock Knob right there for our 20th South Beyond 6,000 summit. Alright, get ready to go. Alright, on the MST and heading up to Blackstock here soon, which you can see way up there. Alright. Just crossed Balsam Gap parking lot and back on the MST, getting some elevation gain on our way up to Blackstock Knob. How you feeling?
Fine.
Alright. I think we got less than 1.5 miles from here, give or take. Alright. Still heading up the switchbacks to Blackstock Knob. And beautiful Mountains of Sea Trail. And not too much longer. Almost to the summit of Blackstock Knob, but my wife found the view I was looking for. Hello.
Hey.
Of the Black Mountains, and this view is amazing. So yesterday we started at Steps Gap, right around there, hiked up to Clemen's Tower and Gibbs Mountain. Then we came back down the Steps Gap area, went up to Mount Hallback. And we hiked up to Mount Mitchell, high summit east of the Mississippi. And right here's the rest of the Black Mountains. Point them out for you. Mount Mitchell, high summit east of the Mississippi. Mount Craig, second high summit east of the Mississippi. That little knob beside it, Big Tom. Then you got the drop, Big Tom Gap. Then you got Balsam Cone, fourth high summit. I think it's fourth. It's top 10 high summit east of the Mississippi. Over here, Cattail Peak and Potato Hill. And you got that huge drop, which is Deep Gap. And you go back up to Winter Star. Go on over to Gibbs, which we summited back in November. And then the beautiful CeeLo Knob. And you got about a 3,000 plus foot drop down the Black Mountains. But yeah, shout out to my wife for finding this view of the Black Mountains. Hello. All right. Summit of Blackstock Knob in the Black Mountains. 6,320 elevation, or maybe 6,359. One of the 40 Southern Sixers. And this is the 20th South Beyond 6,000 summit for Maryann and I. So Blackstock Knob marks our halfway point. High five. All right. So we're back on the MST and just stop for a moment. Right up there is where we were. If you can see it, summit area of Blackstock Knob, or 20th South Beyond 6,000 summit. So you can tell we came all the way from the trail, from all the way up there, all the way back toward Glassmine Falls Overlook. So under 2 miles to go. Some funky looking steps. All right, so that's our 20th South Beyond 6,000 foot summit, and we went way up there to Blackstock Knob, so halfway down. All right. All right, that was Blackstock Knob. It's actually 2023 when I'm putting this video out, but we actually hiked Blackstock Knob September 12, 2021, so I'm a little over 2 years late putting this video out. But we started at the Glassmine Falls Overlook, and we hiked the Mountains to Sea trail up to Blackstock Knob, and the marker is just off the trail. And as you see in the video, I can't remember, maybe 100 yards, maybe a little more or less, before you get to the summit marker, pay attention on your left, and there's a beautiful overlook of the Black Mountains. But this was Blackstock Knob, and we had 5.89 miles and 1,585 feet elevation gain. All right.